Hello friends, my name is Shivam from DevOps Schools and I will help you to enable your learning process in various technologies of DevOps, artificial intelligence, machine learning, big data and many more. This is our initiative to help you by sharing multiple tutorials and videos. And if you want any specific tutorials or any particular topic, then please do comment in the below comment section and I will help you with it. Also, please subscribe to our premium services on YouTube, which will give you access to more content and videos to enhance your knowledge about all these topics. Also, if you want me to help you with regards to the online trainings and classroom sessions by our qualified trainers, then please do write me at contact@devopsschool.com. Thank you.
So guys, two demo I'm going to show you with. Okay, one is how to enable process monitoring, process monitoring in process monitoring in uh, Datadog using Datadog agent. Okay, so this is the question. Now guys, here step one, first verify whether process monitoring is enabled or not. So is enabled or not. Now the question is how to verify. So you will go to the Datadog site. Okay, here click on the infrastructure list. Okay, and here go to the processes. Okay, and now see here, this is the place you will get it, the Datadog process monitoring. So first thing you will see that there is no not enabled. So I'll just give you the print screen also. So first you have to go to the infrastructure, and after that it will take you to the process onboarding. This is the one. So there's no process monitoring is enabled, so you are seeing this one. Now there is one more window you will see, that just to get a confirmation. Now where is that? So here I will go to infrastructure list, and second one I will click on the any one of the host, okay, which is having the agent running. And I'm still waiting for the response. I'll just refresh it. Maybe that got stuck here. Now underneath, we should be having the process monitoring. So I cannot locate. There's a little bit of change in the let me just check it out here. There's some places you should see that process monitoring is not enabled, and I'm not able to locate right now. I'll just check it out little later. So anyways, through that we get to know the process monitoring is not enabled. Actually, it should be here somewhere on top. Maybe I'm missing something here. One second. Go to the integration, go to the agent. The site is very slow. Integration. No. Okay. So anyways, so this window should take you to the place where there's no process available. Now the question is how to enable. So second step number is uh, edit, open your datadog.yaml file and following entry. Make following entry. Now, how can you do that? So let me show you rather than talking. So here I will go to etc datadog agent, and finally this file is there. You see here vi edit. Now I will go here and locate that process monitoring in somewhere downside. So process monitoring tag is here. This histogram. So guys, you will go to this part, process collections configuration, and you will make it this word enable. Right now, see here, you can read this here, process collections configuration. So you can enable this for the any processes which is running in your system. So by default it is false, so you have to make it true. Okay, so this is a thing you have to do that. So I will just delete this. Okay, and I'll take a screenshot also, so you will do that. So here, this file in Linux, after that you go to this place, and this options you have to enable it. Okay, I hope it is clear. While doing it, you can check the reference, further reference, save it. Now after that, doing this, you have to enable the, you have to start, save this, and after that you have to restart the agent. So how do we restart the agent? And for that, systemctl restart command is there. So restart the agent. Now guys, something similar I will do in the Windows also. So after that, I'll go to here and go to this location, open this file. Here I will locate the process monitoring, CDIL here it is, process config enabled false. So I'll make it true. So enabled true. So here for this also I'll take a screenshot so you will not get lost. Okay, and so here first this is the location. After that you'll go to this file. After that this file, you will make these changes and done. So I hope you are having the sufficient references how to enable the process. Finally, guys, you will never forget to restart this service. So I'll just close this, and after that you have to restart the agent. So there's another way to I'll show you the start the agent, and that is this website. Okay, so this website, you can also start the agent. There's another way. So here it is. Click on it, restart the agent, and you got the restarted. And I'll take this snapshot also, so it'll not get missed. So here, open up this website and go to this, click here and verify till here. So you will get this. So restart agent, this is for the Windows. There's another way I showed you, so you can try it out. After this, I'll validate whether the check is available or not. So for this, check, manage check, and here I'll see that. See here.
Please enroll our general membership for $399 plan to get access of all the parts.
Along with that, you can access our other tutorials such as Docker, Ansible, Jenkins, Terraform, Splunk, AWS, Azure, and various other DevOps related premium tutorials with our channel membership. If you would have any issues with our channel membership, you can drop an email to us at contact@devopsschool.com, or you can also unsubscribe from channel membership anytime if you don't want to continue or did not like the video. To get our channel membership, click onto the join button, select the $399 plan and grow your skills immensely. Please be kind enough to like it, and you can comment any of your doubts and queries. We will reply to them at the earliest. Thanks for watching.